Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in this series of Java programs. In today's video we are going to find out the number of digits of a number. So without much delay, let's get started. So let me first make a class. We'll keep the name of the class as digit. We'll check this option, click on finish. We'll remove this one because we don't require this. Okay, now just before we start making this program, a small disclaimer that this program is a very simple version of finding out digits of any number. Okay, so we are restricting this program to only 3 digits. Okay, so numbers of only 3 digits. Since we have not covered looping statements in our video series, so I will not discuss the advanced version in which we can input any number and find out the number of digits entered. Okay, so this one is a very simplified version of that thing, and we are only using if statements, so we will restrict our program only to 3 digits numbers. Okay, so first we will import a scanner class as we always do. Import java.util.scanner semicolon. Next thing, we'll make an object of the scanner class, scanner st equals new scanner system.in semicolon, enter. Now we will declare a variable as num. Okay, we'll store the number in this variable, enter the number. Okay, we'll write num equals st, that is the name of the object, dot next int parenthesis and then semicolon. Okay, now we will discuss the logic behind finding out the number of digits. Okay, so first we will write if, and then inside this will include a condition. If the number that we have stored in num is divided by 10, okay, and if the quotient that we get is equals to 0, if that is the case, then we will say that the number of digits is 1. Simple. Okay, if this is the first case, if you divide a number by 10 and the quotient is equals to 0, then the number has only 1 digit. If we divide the number by 100 and the quotient is equals to 0, in that case the number has the number of digits is 2. And finally, if we divide the number by 1000 and the quotient is equals to 0, then we'll say the number of digits is 3. Okay, So I think you might have understood that why I am restricting this program to only 3 digits, because we want to include 4 digit, 5 digit, then we have to write down number of codes for those. Okay, and since this is a very simplified version of finding out the number of digits, so we are restricting this program to only 3 digits. Now we will simply run this program and see if this is working properly or not. Click here. Okay, we will take 25. Okay, so we're getting 2 messages together. Okay, so we'll have to include the else statement here. Okay, if you don't use else statement, what happens is that these 2 conditions are becoming true at the same time, and that is the reason why 2 messages are printed together. Okay, we'll include one more else statement. The number has more than 3 digits. Okay, let's now run the program. 25. Yes, so the number of digits is 2. Let us run it again. This time we'll take 250. Enter. The number of digits is 3. Let's run it again. This time we'll take 2500. The number has more than 3 digits, so it is working properly now. So like I said in the earlier case, when I was not using the else statement, multiple statements were becoming false, were becoming true at the same time, and therefore we were getting 2 messages together. When I use else statement, what happens is that once a condition is true, any of the condition is true, the program exits right there, so the entire program comes out of the block. Okay, so this is the benefit of using else statement. We don't want multiple statements to be true at the same time. Okay, so this was a simple program. I hope you understood. If you did, that's very good. If you did not, you can just go back and watch this entire video again, and I hope that you will understand it properly. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.